Hello, today's daily tip is about electron dot diagrams. And I have some people who are, thank goodness, taking quiz number 3 and asking me some questions about that. So let's look at electron dot diagrams. They're really important for a future chapter where we talk about molecular structures. And you won't be able to do molecular structures unless you know the electron dot diagrams pretty easily. So let's look at lithium. So first of all, you need to know the electron configuration for lithium, which is 1s2, 2s1. All right? So it's got a total of 3 electrons. However, the only ones that are valence electrons are the ones in the highest energy level. Remember, here's an energy level 1, energy level 2. Which one is higher? 2. All right, so the valence electrons are the electrons in the highest energy level. So that means lithium has 1 valence electron. And that is what we show in the dot diagram. So lithium has 1 dot. Okay, I really don't care if you make the dot on this side or on this side. I don't care what side it's on. I don't care. So lithium, and in fact, everything in group 1 has a dot diagram with 1 dot. All right, let's look at beryllium. And that's right next to lithium, 1s2, 2s2. It doesn't have any 2p electrons, does it? Nope, don't need those, okay? So it has 2 valence electrons, highest energy level. 1 is lower than 2. So second energy level, 2 dots. Now those, because of the orbital diagram, which is in another video, I went over that, those electrons are in the same orbital. So we want them paired up in the electron dot diagram. And I don't care what side you put them on, where they're paired up. Doesn't matter to me. It does to some teachers, but that's stupid. All right, let's look at nitrogen. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Now, this is where we really need to know about orbital diagrams, because the orbital diagram, there's 1 orbital for S, but don't forget, P has 3 orbitals. Okay, here's the S, here's the P. And remember, electrons don't pair up unless they have to. And they don't go to the next energy level unless the one below it is filled up. So we have an electron here, okay, 2 electrons. Now here we've got 3 electrons, and don't forget, they don't pair up unless they have to, okay? Each of those is an electron. That's not a 7, that's an electron. That's an electron spinning in one direction, okay? That equals an electron. So here's the dot diagram. We've got 2 together right here. I don't care what side it's on. I'm just doing this for now. We've got 1 here. We've got 1 here. It's not paired up. And we've got another one over here. It's not paired up. This is really important because what that is going to mean in a future chapter is that there's room for a bond right there. There's room for a bond there, and there's room for a bond there. And nitrogen forms 3 bonds. I don't need you to worry about that right now, but it is important to get the correct electron dot diagram. I hope this helps.